Welcome to our kitchen. Vegetable curry is a delicious and nutritious dish that is perfect for vegetarians and meat eaters alike. The key to making a flavorful vegetable curry is to use a variety of fresh vegetables and aromatic spices. To start, gather your vegetables. Potatoes, carrots, cauliflower, and peas are all great options for a vegetable curry. You can also add in other vegetables like bell peppers, green beans, or spinach for added flavor and nutrition. Next, prepare your curry sauce. A rich and creamy curry sauce can be made with coconut milk, which adds a subtle sweetness to the dish. To add depth of flavor, you can also use spices like cumin, coriander, turmeric, and garam masala. These spices will give your curry a warm and aromatic flavor that is sure to please your taste buds. Once you have your vegetables and curry sauce prepared, it's time to cook. Start by sautéing your vegetables in a large pot or skillet until they are slightly softened. Then, add in your curry sauce and stir to combine. Let the curry simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender and the flavors have melded together. While your curry is simmering, you can prepare your side dishes. Basmati rice is a classic accompaniment to vegetable curry, as its light and fluffy texture pairs perfectly with the rich and creamy sauce. You can also serve your curry with naan bread, which is a soft and chewy Indian flatbread that is perfect for soaking up the delicious sauce. Once your curry is ready, serve it hot with your choice of side dishes. The combination of tender vegetables, creamy curry sauce, and aromatic spices is sure to delight your taste buds and leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. In conclusion, vegetable curry is a versatile and delicious dish that is perfect for any occasion. Whether you're looking for a hearty and comforting meal or a flavorful and nutritious dish, vegetable curry is sure to please. So gather your ingredients, get cooking, and enjoy a delicious and satisfying meal that is sure to become a new favorite in your recipe repertoire. Thank you all for joining me in the kitchen today. Remember, the heart of every great recipe is the love you put into it. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and culinary inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!